Yeah, nice one, mate. Nice one. Oh, where are we staying? Atlantis Hotel. Atlantis Hotel in Kos. Family studio room.
Sea view.
With an
Can't see the sea.
upgraded sea view, but it's night time, so we can't see the sea.
I think you couldn't daytime either.
But that means we're very close to the sea. If we can see the sea from here, allegedly. Hey, don't worry though, Dan, we got a safe. Safe, yeah. What else? We got a fridge.
How much in my clock this time?
Oh, I can't remember. Yeah, we had to do it in Spain, and I can't remember now. When I'm looking at your settings, I'll be able to see. That's a hand fashion shower. Isn't it?
Very easy.
Toilet, bath, shower, all the mod cons. And there we go. That's a.
You need your wallet.
I do.
You do.
I do.